Shoot, I deserve a sign too. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Vani, and if you're new here, I make videos to help you guys on your homeschooling journey. And today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately: easing back into homeschooling after a long summer break, especially when unexpected challenges pop up, like minor health issues with my youngest. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, but we're getting back on track today. First off, can we all agree that summer break is awesome? It's a time to relax, recharge, and just enjoy being together as a family. We were not even planning on taking a summer break. We were planning on homeschooling year-round. But like many of you, our break was a bit longer this year due to some health stuff with my youngest. It's totally okay to take that time when life throws you a curveball. Today I decided to keep things short and fun to ease everyone back into our routine. We're starting with a special breakfast for my little one to make sure that she was happy because she was excited about it. And then I decided to keep things short and fun to ease the kids back into our routine. My son chose to do his work upstairs, so he's not going to be in this video. We're starting with some hands-on activities that tie into what we have been learning. For my youngest, who's been a bit hesitant, I chose activities that she finds exciting and engaging, and we only did about 2 subjects this day. One thing I've learned over the years of homeschooling is the importance of flexibility. Some days the lesson plans go out the window, and that's okay. We adjust, we adapt, and we find ways to make learning enjoyable again. Creating a positive atmosphere is crucial, especially when coming back from a break. Today, we're adding some laughter, maybe a few silly moments, and definitely some snacks to keep everyone's spirits up. Whether you're just starting out your homeschool journey or getting back into the groove after a break like us, remember it's all about finding that balance between structure and flexibility, embracing the bumps in the road, celebrate the victory, and most importantly, enjoy the journey together. Thanks for watching, and if you have any tips for easing back into homeschooling after a break, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more homeschooling adventures. I'll see you next time.